Welcome back to Buy Smart, where we help you make the smartest purchasing decisions. Today, we're diving into the electrifying world of UPS battery replacements. Yes, you heard that right. It's time to put the APC RBC17 and the UPS Battery Center RBC154 in a face-off that'll make your head spin faster than your computer span during a Zoom call. Let's get ready to rumble. First up, let's talk about the most shocking topic of all, price. The APC RBC17 is priced at a zesty $56, while the UPS Battery Center RBC154 is a steal at $55. Reviewers have noted that while the APC RBC17 is a bit pricier, they appreciate its overall reliability and performance. The UPS Battery Center RBC154, on the other hand, has been praised for its affordability and cost-effectiveness, making it a great option for budget-conscious buyers. Now, let's talk performance. The APC RBC17 is like that overachieving kid in school, always bringing home A's. Reviewers have highlighted its maintenance-free, sealed lead-acid design, which provides efficient performance and reliability. They've mentioned that it helps restore UPS runtime effectively. Conversely, the UPS Battery Center RBC154 is compatible with key models, and while it gets the job done, some reviewers noted that it might not provide the same level of performance as the APC, but it's still a solid choice for many users. Next up, installation. The APC RBC17 is hot swappable. Yes, you heard that right. No network downtime needed. Reviewers have found it easy to install, which is a huge plus. Meanwhile, the UPS Battery Center RBC154 has some mixed reviews. While some users found it easy to connect, others experienced issues with the fit of the terminals, which could complicate installation. If you're not a fan of DIY, you might want to stick with the APC. Let's check out what you get in the box. The APC RBC17 comes with everything you need: the battery, connectors, a recycling guide, and an installation guide. Reviewers appreciate this full package, calling it a party in a box. Meanwhile, the UPS Battery Center RBC154 is pretty straightforward with just the battery included. Some users have noted that while it works, it lacks the extra features and documentation that come with the APC battery. In summary, both batteries have their strengths and weaknesses. The APC RBC17 is often praised for its reliability and ease of installation, while the UPS Battery Center RBC154 is recognized for its affordability and adequate performance, despite some fit issues. Your choice may depend on what you prioritize more: reliability or cost. So, in the epic showdown between the APC RBC17 and the UPS Battery Center RBC154, who takes the crown? If you want reliability, a full package, and performance, go for the APC RBC17. But if you're looking to save a buck and don't mind a little uncertainty, the UPS Battery Center RBC154 might just fit the bill. Remember, folks, choosing the right battery can make all the difference. Don't let your UPS run out of juice while you're trying to finish that Netflix binge. Hit that subscribe button for more electrifying comparisons, and let us know in the comments which battery you'd choose. Until next time, stay smart and buy smart.